Okay, so setting things up. Section 5 of the men's 800. The man to watch will be way out in lane 8, Nijel Amos, Olympic silver medalist at age 18 back in 2012. The man has run 1:41.73. He was 5th at the World Championships last year in London, and he was the Diamond League winner as well, so he cashed a pretty solid paycheck last year in 2017, just coming off a 45.94. You see the Olympic rings tattooed on his shoulder. This should be a really good one here. And definitely the 146 meet record is right there and in jeopardy for sure. Let's see what we have. So off we go. You see Amos just kind of gliding up front, maybe trying to work with his teammate Abda. Abda was 6th in the U.S. indoor 800 meters last month. Nijel Amos just easily to the front. Again, the 800 record here, meet record 146.77. You got to think that's got a real good shot at going down as we are out super fast. It's Abda and then Amos, your top two, both from OTC Elite. Amos known for his furious finish. What are we going to come through at 400? A pretty solid 51 high. So a pack of 4 has really pulled away here. And Amos looks like he's starting to make moves to go to the front. Amos showed he was fit last week by running sub 46 in the 400 meters at the Aztec Invite. Now he's into his specialty, into the final 200 meters. Let's see if he can blow away this field. Look at the speed, look at the stride length just start to really open up for Nijel Amos. The Botswanan 24-year-old silver medalist, Olympic silver medalist, dominating now into the final stretch. Now 140 just passed on the clock. Look at the gap on this field. Nijel Amos, I think he just broke 145, folks. Definitely a meet record for Nijel Amos. Let's see what it says. 144.64, folks, 1/100th away from the fastest time in the world in 2018. So for Amos, he gets the win. He'll have to settle for the second fastest time of the year so far in 2018. But nonetheless, Nijel Amos, a remarkable time for March 31st, 144.65. Yeah, I'd say the guy's fit. You see the rest of your results. Nobody else broke 148. Did have 5 names total, though, under 150, but the story in that one, Nijel Amos of Nike OTC Elite from Botswana, 144.65, just 1/100th away from Jonathan Kittlit's 144.64, fastest time of the year. That was quite the performance from Nijel Amos.